Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Subject History, Lesson number 2, Europe and India. What we are going to learn in this lesson here? During the modern period, the various happenings in Europe had its impact. Impact means what? Effect on India. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. First point, the period of Renaissance. Renaissance means what here? Rebirth. Renaissance means what here? Rebirth. In the history of Europe, the last phase of the medieval period, that is the 13th to 16th century, is known as a period of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries laid the foundation to the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as Age of Renaissance. This period is also known as the Age of Renaissance. During this period, in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., was revival of Greek and Roman tradition, which gave the momentum. Momentum means what is speed up to an overall development. During the Renaissance, humanitarianism was given great impetus. Impetus means what? Important. Humanitarianism was given great importance. There was a change in the outlook of treating each other as a human being. Instead of religion, man become center. Man becomes center point of all ideologies. The reform movement spread throughout all sectors of human life. Through the knowledge, science as well as the different sections of art, we can observe discoveries of reform movement. The art and literature of Renaissance period depict the sentiments. What depict the sentiments and emotions? What depict sentiments and emotions of human beings? Literature was produced in a local language for a better understanding to the common people. During the 1450 AD, Johannes Gutenberg, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered a printing press. Who discovered the printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Due to this discovery, new ideas, concepts and knowledge reached to all sections of society. Next point, religious reform movement. Here, what is given in this point here? The independent intellectuals attack the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. The intellectual peoples attack on whom? The Roman Catholic Church. The Christian priests, taking advantages of ignorance of the people and indulge in unnecessary rituals, that is a religious work. They looted the people in the name of religion. Who looted the people in the name of religion? The Christian priest. The movement that began against it is known as religious reform movement. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism get more importance. Because of the religious reform movement, what get more important? Human freedom and rationalism gain more important. Before learning geographical discoveries, we have to learn about the Leonardo da Vinci. He is recognized as an all-round personality in the period of Renaissance. He was well-versed in different branches of science and art. He had a mastery over varied subjects such as sculpture, architecture, mathematics, engineering, music, astronomy. But he became a renowned painter. His painting Mona Lisa and the Last Supper become immortal. Geographical discoveries. In 1453 AD, Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. Which city is the capital of Byzantine Empire? Constantinople or Istanbul. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through the city. Since Turk blocked this route, there was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European countries to reach Asia. This led to a new phase of geographical discoveries. Geographical discoveries. During the 15th century, European sailors went on expedition to discover the sea routes. In 1487 AD, Bartolomeu Dias, a Portuguese sailor, began his expedition in search of India, but reached the tip of African continent, which we now know as the Cape of Good Hope. In 1492 AD, Christopher Columbus set his journey to India by sailing towards the west, but he reached on the eastern coast of the continent America. In 1498 AD, Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama managed to sail past the Cape of Good Hope and reach the Indian coast in Calicut. Intellectual revolution in Europe. Due to the changes during the Renaissance period, Europe proceeded from medieval to the modern age. Intellectual revolution took place in the same period. The society starts stepping out of the past ignorance and blind faith. The pre-established customs and traditions came to be seen from the critical point of view. All these changes addressed as an intellectual revolution, which gave further momentum to scientific discoveries in Europe. Revolution in political sphere. In early stage of the beginning of modern period in Europe, many political changes took place due to various revolutionary events in 18th and 19th century. This period is known as the Age of Revolution. During this period, there was a development of the parliamentary democracy in England. There was a changes in the form of cabinet system. The Bill of Rights 1689 laid the limitations on the power of king. The sovereignty of parliament was established. What was established here? Sovereignty of parliament was established. American War of Independence. With the background of revolutionary development in Europe, it is equally important thinking about American War of Independence. With the discovery of America, the European countries turned their attention towards the continent. The imperialist European countries took control of different regions of America and established their colonies. England established 13 colonies on the east coast of America. Initially, England had nominal domination over these colonies, but later English Parliament laid oppressive restrictions and taxes on these American colonies. The people of America revolted against this. England declared war to suppress the colonies. American colonies organized the army under the leadership of George Washington and finally won against England. This event is known as American War of Independence. A new nation known as the United States of America, with a federal government, written constitution based on the principle of democracy, was born. French Revolution means what here? French Kranti. In 1789 AD, the people of France revolted against uncontrolled, unjust monarchy, feudalism, and established a republic. See here, people of France revolt against whom? Against the monarchy, feudalism, Saramjam Shah, establish a republic. This event is known as the French Revolution. A French Revolution gave to the world three values. Which three values here? Liberty, equality, and fraternity. Which things we get from the French Revolution? Liberty, equality, and fraternity. In the world history, among the political revolution, American War of Independence and French Revolution have very important place. Next, Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution means औद्योगिक क्रांति. In the latter period of the 18th century, there were many technological innovations. Innovations means changes in Europe. There was a production with the help of machines running on steam. The cottage industry were replied by a big factories. Cottage means here small industries. Replaced by factories, machines came to be used instead of handlooms. Railway and steamer become the mode of transportation. What become the mode of transportation? Railway and steamer. Mode of transportation, that is the वाहतुकीचे साधन. The age of machines began and that is known as a industrial revolution. Age of the machine is known as a industrial revolution. Industrial revolution began in England and then spread other parts of the West. During this period, England enjoyed industrial prosperity and came to be described as world factory. Which country is known as a world factory? That is England. England is known as a world factory. Rise of capitalism. With the discovery of new sea route, began a new era trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with the eastern countries through the sea route. It is not easy to carry out trade single-handedly. Means it is not possible to do trade with a single person. That's why or hence many traders come together and started trade. Why many traders come together? Because single person it is not possible of trading. Thus there was a rise of many trading company. Trade with the Oriental countries. Oriental countries was a very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Hence the European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to this trading company. Why the European rulers started giving military protection and the trade concessions? Because trade is a economically profitable or prosperity. Trade brings profit and prosperity. This led accumulation. Accumulation means what? Collection of wealth in Europe. This prosperity was used in the form of capital. Capital, that is a bhandwal, for the trade and commerce, which led to rise a capitalist economic system in Europe. Means trading company brings which type of system in Europe? The capitalistic economic system in Europe. Colonialism, that is a वसाहतीकरण. Colonialism means one country exploiting another country by making it into a colony. A powerful country on the basis of economic and military strength occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. This tendency is known as a colonialism. The tendency of colonialism led to rise of imperialism among the Europeans. Imperialism means what? Samrajyavad. Imperialism means a system in which powerful country controls other country by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. Many countries from Asian and African continent fell prey to this imperialist aspiration of the European nations. Imperialism of British East India Company in India means what? British East India Companyचा भारतामध्ये साम्राज्य. There was a competition among European countries acquiring the trade monopoly in India. The British established East India Company in 16th AD to carry out trade in India. This company took permission from Emperor Jahangir. From whom? Take permission? The Emperor Jahangir, and established its factory in Surat. The trade between India and England was carried out through this company. Trade between India and England carried out through this company. Struggle between English and French. फ्रेंच आणि इंग्लिश यांच्यामधील संघर्ष. England and France were rivals. Rivals means what? That enemies. In the competition for the trade in India, due to this, there were 3 wars fought between them, which were known as a Carnatic War. The war between England and French, that war is known as a Carnatic War. In the Third Carnatic War, England finally defeated the France. Therefore, now there was no strong enemy or competitor for the British East India Company in India. Foundation of rule of East India Company in Bengal. बंगालमध्ये ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनीचा पाया कशा प्रकारे घातला गेलेला आहे. The Bengal province was one of the most prosperous province in India. In 1756 AD, Siraj-ud-Dawla became Nawab of Bengal. Who became Nawab of Bengal? In 1756, Siraj-ud-Dawla became the Nawab of Bengal. East India Company officers misused the trade concession obtained from the Mughal Emperor. The Mughal Emperor here gave the trade concessions to East India Company, but they used in a wrong way in the Bengal province. What they did here? The English built fortification Tatbandi around the factory at Kolkata without a permission of Nawab. His Siraj-ud-Dawla captured the factory at Kolkata. This created discontent in England. Robert Clive, British officer, diplomatically, that is skillfully, bribe means what here? लाच देने, Mir Jafar, the commander-in-chief of Nawab's army, and also promised to make him the Nawab of Bengal. He gave the promise to make him a Nawab of Bengal. Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla and British troops, that is the soldiers, met at a Plassey in 1757 AD, but under the leadership of Mir Jafar, the Nawab's army made no move, means no activation for the war show to actually join the battle, and hence Siraj-ud-Dawla was defeated. Mir Jafar became Nawab of Bengal with the support of British, but later he started protesting against the British, and hence his son-in-law Mir Qasim was made the Nawab. Mir Qasim tried to put restrictions on the illegal trade of British, and hence once again Mir Jafar was made the Nawab of Bengal. To restrict the activities of British in Bengal, Mir Qasim, Siraj-ud-Dawla, Mir Qasim, Siraj-ud-Dawla, the Nawab of Ayodhya, the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam formed an alliance. Alliance means the friendships, and ran a campaign in 1764 AD. Battle of Boxer was fought in Bihar. Where is that Boxer? In Bihar. After the battle, British East India Company got right to collect revenue that is tax from the Bengal province as per the Treaty of Allahabad. In this manner, the foundation of British rule in India laid in Bengal. British Mysore struggle. Hyder Ali from Mysore state rebelled. Rebelled means what? Band karne. And took control of Mysore after the death of Hyder Ali. His son Tipu Sultan, the son of the Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, became the ruler of Mysore. He tried his best to fight against the British. At the end, the Tipu Sultan died in the battle of Srirangapatna. Where died? The Srirangapatna. In 1799, in this manner, the British took control over the territory of Mysore. British control over the Sindh. To strengthen the British power, strengthens here, British power in India, the English turned their attention towards Northwest Fortiner. Where they turned their attention? Northwest Fortiner. Fortiner, that is Kinarpatticha Pradesh. They feared that Russia might attack India through Afghanistan, and hence the English started establishing their influence over Afghanistan. The route towards Afghanistan went through the Sindh. The route of Afghanistan here went through the Sindh province. Went where? Through the Sindh province. The British understood the importance of the Sindh and captured it in 1843. When captured? 1843. Fall of Sikh power. In the beginning of 19th century, the power in Punjab was in hands of Ranjit Singh. After the death of Ranjit Singh, his minor son Duleep Singh came to be thrown on his behalf. His mother, Queen Jindan, looked after the state affairs but could not keep control over the officers. Taking this advantage of this situation, the British bribe means लाच देने, some of the Sikh Sardar. The Sikh community thought that British will attack Punjab, and hence they launched an attack on the British. In the first Anglo-Sikh war, the Sikhs were defeated, but still Duleep Singh remained on throne. But growing impact that is a prabhav of British over Punjab will not acceptable to the Sikhs. Mulraj, officer of Multan, revolted against the British. Thousands of Sikh soldiers participated in this war against the British. In second war, Sikhs had to face defeat again. In 1849, British finally captured the entire region of Punjab. The Marathas were important strong rulers in India. How did the British strengthen their foundation of rule in India? By defeating Marathas will be studied in the next chapter.